How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix iPhone speaker sound too low. So let's get started. First, make sure the volume buttons are turned up at the maximum level and silent switch on the left hand side isn't on the mute state. Simply you can use the button. Make sure your iPhone isn't silent mode. After that, you can just clean your speaker. If your sound is still low, gently clean the speaker grease at the bottom of your iPhone with a soft brush or dry cloth. Dust can block some sounds. After that, turn off the headphone mode. Sometimes your iPhone gets stuck in the headphone mode. Plug in and unplug your earphones once, then check if sound is back to normal or not. You can, as usual, turn off the Bluetooth for any routing audio for your iPhone. Simply you will have to turn off your Bluetooth. After that, check for the audio settings on iPhone. For that, simply open settings. From settings, simply tap on accessibility. Now from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Now from here, simply you'll have to go the option for balance slider. Now from here, make sure balance slider is center between left and right. Also under the settings, sound and haptic, you'll have to open that. From here, tap on sound and haptics. Now from here, if you get the option for reduce sound loud, you'll have to also turn off that. After that, check for the any software or iOS update. For that, simply tap on general. Now from here, tap on software update. From here, you can add usual confirm. After that, you can simply restart your iPhone. After you restart your iPhone, it will fix small bugs that can affect your sound quality. After that, your problems would be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.